Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Stripfast5000 Fire Bullets review. So, if you've been hearing about Stripfast5000 Fire Bullets, especially their K Citro formulation, well, let's break down exactly what they are and what's inside them and how they work, and in this case, the precise instructions on how to use them. So first, what is Stripfast5000 Fire Bullets? Now, Stripfast5000 Fire Bullets, or the K Citro, is a daily dietary supplement packaged in a capsule form. Now, it is formulated as a weight control support supplement and is designed for adults. Now, the product aims to support metabolic rate, daily energy levels, and active lifestyle. Now, the capsules are manufactured under the Good Manufacturing Practice, or GMP, guidelines to ensure consistent quality. Now, what does it actually offer? Now, the following, or the main features of the Fire Bullets K Citro, is the blend of active thermogenetic genic ingredients and natural extracts. Now, when you look at the supplement facts here, facts panel, the formulation features the following. So we have the citrus aurantium, so the bitter orange powder, an ingredient traditionally utilized to help support thermogenesis and metabolic activity. They also have cayenne powder, known for its natural capsaicin content, which supports the body's natural heat production. They also have the caffeine anhydrous, so a concentrated caffeine source included to support daily alertness and physical energy levels. They also have green tea extract, L-phenylalanine, and also green coffee extract and raspberry ketones. Now, complementary active botanical ingredients designed to support daily dietary goals. Now, the capsule is designed to be easy to swallow and are made with plant-based ingredients, so making them suitable for vegetarians. Now, how do you exactly use Stripfast5000 Fire Bullets? Now, to ensure you are utilizing the product safely and effectively, the manufacturer provides very specific guidelines regarding dosage and timing and hydration. Now, first is you want to assess your tolerance. Now, because the formula is or contains active stimulants like caffeine, the manufacturer recommends starting slowly. Now, for the first 5 days, just take one capsule in the morning or to see how your body adjusts. So once your tolerance is comfortable here, you can increase to the full serving of 2 capsules per day. Now, the daily routine here, the standard daily serving is 2 capsules, so you should take 1 capsule in the morning and 1 capsule mid-afternoon. Always allow each capsule with a full glass of water. Now, also, you can take this with or without food, so you can take the capsule either with or without food. However, if you are prone to experience mild reflux or heartburn, now the manufacturer advises taking them alongside a meal. Now, for the sleep timing here, to avoid disrupting your sleep cycle, do not take the capsule less than 6 hours before your plan to go to bed here, because again, they do contain caffeine and you will not be able to sleep. Now, also, some crucial hydration guidelines here. The instructions emphasize that you must drink a minimum of 8.5 cups or 2 liters of water daily while taking the supplement. Now, this helps keep your body hydrated and allows the ingredients to function optimally in your system. Well, in this case, 8 cups is like just basically simple, so you just take it. And also, if you are going to try this product, it is highly advised that you check with your doctor first, just to be on the safe side. Now, for the packaging here, so the standard bottles of Stripfast5000 Fire Bullets K Citro contains around 60 capsules. So in this case, you can also get like a 30-day supply as well on their website, which totals are like 40 pounds or 39.97 pounds. So in this case, that's a 30-day supply. And the product is widely available online through global health and retail platforms, with pricing generally ranging from between like 40 to 115. Now, they do have different packages out there. If I'm not mistaken, you could also get this on other websites as well. But yeah, so that's about it. If you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.